Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Metamask application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Metamask application on your mobile device is quite easy. First, make sure that you've downloaded the Metamask application for your mobile device. And once you have it, give it a tap to open. The first interface of Metamask wallet will look like this. You can easily import an existing wallet using secret recovery phrase, or if you don't have a wallet yet, click on create a new wallet button at the bottom. For logging into your existing wallet, tap on import using secret recovery phrase. Now, enter your secret recovery phrases that you previously backed up from Metamask. Write down your secret recovery phrases in the correct order in the text box at the top. Once you type in the recovery phrase, head over to the next field and type in the new password for your Metamask wallet on this particular device. Once you do that, confirm the password in the last field by retyping it again. Finally, tap on the import button and you'll be able to log into your Metamask wallet app. Tap done. And here's your wallet displayed on the screen. I hope you learned how to log into your Metamask application on your mobile device. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Stay tuned till then.